Hi there, it's Andrew from Kaa IT. Today I will demonstrate you how easy it is to connect the first device to Kaa Cloud account. For that we will use ESP8266 and simulate smart home scenario, where we measure home climate and execute some commands. To create a cloud account, go to kaaproject.org, log in with your Kaa ID, or create it if you don't have it yet. Then go to free trial page and go to cloud. As you can see, I have already created a cloud account, so let's go to the device management dashboard and add new device. We should enter endpoint token, which can be random string. Remember it, and now we are ready to connect the device. I have already pre-filled this sketch with Wi-Fi credentials, so the only things that we should do is specify endpoint token and application version. Let's copy it, paste. That's it, we are ready to upload the sketch. So the sketch is very simple and it generates three values, which is temperature, humidity, and CO2. They are random. Also, it listens to the switch command type and responds back with hard-coded payload, which is done. So let's wait till the sketch is uploaded. And now we can check the device logs. It was successfully connected, and now it listens to the switch command type and publishes some data. To view the data in Kaa Cloud, you should configure the platform. So let's check extract, save changes, and return back to the device. Yeah, as you can see, now we can browse the data. Also, we wanted to send some command. As you remember, its command type was switch. So let's enter it. And also we can enter some payload that will be sent along with the command. It can be random, but let's enter state on. Make it synchronous and run. The command was successfully delivered to the device and respond back. As you can see, it was executed with 200 status code, and you can browse the request payload and response payload as well. We can rerun it, and again we have new entry in our table. So that's it. Now your turn. Create a cloud account, connect a device, ask your questions in Gitter, and stay tuned. Goodbye.